Finally, OnePlus 12 are launched. So let's now talk about the full specification. So first talk about the box content. You can get some paperwork, sticker, SIM ejector tool and one cover, one charger, one charging cable and our beautiful OnePlus 12. And the phone come with beautiful tree color, black, white and green color. Let me know in the comment section below which color you are like it. And as you can see that the phone looking too much premium and the phone built with glass front and back with aluminium frame. And the phone come with 3 variant 16GB RAM and 24GB RAM with up to 1TB storage. OnePlus 12 come with 6.82-inch 2K resolution curved OLED display with LTPO 120Hz screen. And the smartphone peak brightness is 4500 nits and the display supported full-length double vision. The phone also comes with IP65 rating. The phone comes with 4nm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. And the OnePlus 12 Android score is the highest amount in a smartphone. And of course, out of the box, the phone running Android 14 with ColorOS. Another great feature, OnePlus 12 will be featuring a new generation self-development HDR gaming. Game will be support 2K plus 120 FPS. Phone also have a AAC technology vibration motor feature. The phone also comes with USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 1 port. And the camera department, the phone comes with triple camera setup in the back, 50MP Sony Lite 808 camera sensor, 48MP ultra wide who is Sony IMX581. And the first time the phone comes with periscope telephoto lens. The phone comes with OB64B periscope zoom lens with 3x optical zoom and you can take highest 120x. And the front is come with 32MP Sony IMX615 front camera. The phone also have a in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock and a studio speaker. In the battery department, the phone comes with 5400 mAh battery with 100W fast charging and 50W wireless charging. And the smartphone weight is 220 grams. And here is the 3 official case price. So if you found this video informative, make sure hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.